फिफा अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कपात फातोड्डेची पहिलीच मॅच जर्मनीन जिखली। जर्मनीन पेजात खेळ करीत कोस्टारिकाचेर 2-1 गोलान जैत मेळयलो। जर्मनीचो कॅप्टन फिएड आर्पान 21व्याच मिनटाक गोल करून जर्मनीचे खाते उक्ते केले, पण कोस्टारिकाचे आंद्रेस गोमेजान 64व्या मिनटाक गोल करून मॅच बरोबरी धाडिल्ली। जर्मनीक जैत मेळोवन दिवपी गोल 89व्या मिनटाक आऊकून मारलो। फातोड्डेचे हे मॅचीक 9,500 फुटबॉल मोगी आशिल्ले।
8 or 9 meters and no goalkeeper put it into the stands. Will they live to rue that miss? It was very well. Shabaka's corner. Oh, near post flick. Still a chance for Bolla from the header. You see how close to him it was? Fairly close. It was Jastrzębski's header. I think this is the better save. I think there was frustration there from. So once again, Fonseca will take. High and hanging, goalkeepers come for it and claim safely enough. Body and Art denied somehow by Anthony Arias at the expense of a corner. Well, how big a moment might that be? Good stuff. And let's look at the space. Just one defender back with him. It was a very unselfish little layoff. Well, in a real mess there, did Ferran.
बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह